This is a Korean-style quick-boiled beef and vegetable soup for 4 servings. Prep time 25 minutes. A simple, comforting meal ready in under half an hour. 300 grams of lean ground beef. 1 medium onion thinly sliced, about 150 grams. 2 cloves of garlic minced. 1 medium carrot julienned, about 100 grams. 1 small zucchini sliced into half moons, about 120 grams. 4 cups of low-sodium beef broth, about 960 milliliters. 2 tablespoons of soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of sesame oil. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. 2 green onions thinly sliced for garnish. Now we will begin preparing the recipe. In a medium pot over medium heat, add 1 tablespoon of sesame oil and wait 30 seconds until warm. Add the 300 grams of ground beef and cook for 3 minutes, breaking it up with a spoon until it loses its pink color. Stir in the 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 medium thinly sliced onion and cook for 2 minutes until fragrant and the onion softens. Add the julienned carrot and sliced zucchini and cook for 2 minutes, stirring, to slightly soften the vegetables. Pour in 4 cups of low-sodium beef broth, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Bring the soup to a boil over high heat, then reduce to a gentle simmer and cook uncovered for 7 minutes. Taste and adjust seasoning with up to 1/4 teaspoon of salt if needed, then remove from heat. Ladle the soup into 4 bowls and garnish each with the 2 green onions divided evenly and a light drizzle of sesame oil if desired. Now we will finish and serve the recipe. Let the soup rest for 1 minute, then serve hot and enjoy. Thank you for watching and try this quick Korean-style soup at home. Ingredient 21. Added as listed in the recipe.